What's up everyone, it's Sam here, and today, yes, you can see the World of Warcraft figurine right there. I used to be a World of Warcraft player. This game, they ruined it. You know, Mr. Pandaria, I don't like it. Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. Now, it's out on the PlayStation Network. The demo is free. It's about two brothers walking. Check it out. So I woke up one morning and I was like, what's on the PlayStation Network? You know, I want to play a game. I'm striving. Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. So I was like, what? Should I get this? Should I get this game or what? I should wait. There's Killzone Mercenaries coming soon on the Vita. Grand Theft Auto pre-order is up. Already booked that. There's around 6 days, maybe 5 days, less than a week. I'm waiting for it. Where is it? Should occupy myself with a really good game. Wait. I'll try out the demo. The demo is enough and it's free and you can try it out. So I did try out the demo. Check it out.
Yeah.
See? I told you I did. Control one brother with this. Control the other brother with that. You know, the right and left thumbstick. Okay. Alright, I'll put that aside. Gets a little bit, okay, I'll get used to it, no problem. I don't know where their father is, maybe in the castle. Okay, wait. This game is good. I like it, I like the graphics. There's two brothers that are looking for their father. I understand all that. I like the story. I don't care about graphics right now. I don't care about, you know, the gameplay. Okay. The story is nice. Okay, they're looking for their father. They have to work together. They have to get there. But there is one thing. Where's the sound? I can't hear any soundtrack. I have to like raise the volume on my TV just to hear like them walking. And let me tell you what made Journey, a really good game. You guys, PlayStation fans, you guys know what Journey is. This is an epic game. I love it. I love the gameplay. I love everything about it. What made it so epic is the soundtrack. It's like muting the TV while playing this game. I was like, what? I have nothing else to say. My kind of rating, I give this game around a 4. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. The gameplay, everything else. The demo is free. You can check out the PlayStation Network. You can try this game. And you can subscribe down there below for more tech, gaming. I'm loving games. And leave a comment if you want. Give me a thumbs up. That would be awesome. You guys take care.